Welcome to the SAP Business One Customers and Contacts to Salesforce Accounts and Contacts Template Configuration video. The following video will assist you in the configuration and deployment of the BPA Platform SAP Business One to Salesforce tasks and the associated staging database. It will act as a companion to the documentation and will highlight aspects of the solution that will require alignment with your own systems. You will require BPA Platform 2021, the Microsoft SQL Server Connector tool, Microsoft SQL Server 2012 or above, available to host the staging database, SAP Business One, version 9.3 or above, the SAP Business One DI-API integration tool, pre-alignment of SBO master data records with system-generated unique identifiers, the Salesforce Connector tool, and a dedicated Salesforce user for BPA Platform. The BPA Platform-related software can be downloaded via the partner area on the Codeless Platforms website. To obtain the template assets, please contact your account manager. We will start by creating the staging database. In our environment, we are using Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. Go to File, Open, and File. Then navigate to the folder containing the template assets and find B2C Staging DB v4_1 and click Open. Then click Execute. This will generate the staging database and tables as seen here. Now open BPA Platform. Then click the Import button. Navigate to the Downloaded Assets folder and locate SBO Salesforce.connection and then click Open. This will import the tool connections required for this task template. However, these will need further configuration to align with your own business systems, which we will look at shortly. In System, Tools, Data Connectors, open the Microsoft SQL Server Connector tool. Locate B2C Staging DB v4_1 accounts and click Edit. In the Agent Connection General node, for this demonstration we are using localhost as the staging database is installed on the same system as BPA Platform. Use Test Connection to ensure it is working correctly. Next, in the SQL Server Connection General node, you will need to enter your staging database credentials. Use Test Connection to ensure the details are correct. Then, in the Database node, click Refresh Cache. In the Business Object Designer tab, we can see the objects used within this template. This requires no further configuration. Now click OK, then Yes, and OK again to close the dialog boxes. Now open the SAP Business One DI-API tool. Edit the connection named SBO Demo GB. In each of these tabs, you will need to enter your SAP Business One details and credentials. And OK again to close the dialog boxes. Next, open the Salesforce Connector tool and edit the connection named Salesforce. Here you will need to enter your own Salesforce credentials and license. When completed, use Test Connection to ensure the details are correct. Click OK and OK again to close. We will now import the tasks. click the root folder of the BPA Platform tasks, and then click Import. Navigate to the Downloaded Assets folder and locate SBO Salesforce Accounts and Contacts Process.tks, and then click Open. The tasks have now been imported. Expand the SBO Salesforce folder and then the Accounts and Contacts folder. Here we can see the set of tasks. We now need to ensure we have a call task user in BPA Platform to enable the template to run all the tasks sequentially. Navigate to System, Users. We will open the call task user we have created previously. Your call task username needs to be entered exactly as shown here. And as shown, we have selected BPA Platform Authentication. On the Server Roles tab, select all checkboxes to give full permissions. Click OK to save and close this window. We can now configure the Call Task tool. Navigate to Tools, Execute, Call Task. Edit the connection named Sales and SAP Business One Accounts and Contacts. Here you will need to enter the call task user and password you created previously. Next, click the Folder tab, expand the trees, and select the top-level task folder, Accounts and Contacts. Then click OK, and OK again to close. We will now open the BPA Platform Configurator. We need to register SAP Business One event trigger agents for all master companies. To do this, we will navigate to Event Agents, SAP Business One Event Agents, Configuration, SBO Agent for SBO Demo GB, Prerequisites. Please ensure all these components are configured correctly. In the Registration Settings node, we have left this as default. Finally, click Close. Next, we need to check all the SAP Business One trigger steps are configured correctly for our own environment. Go to Tasks, SBO Salesforce, Accounts and Contacts. Then open the Control task. Locate the SAP Business One trigger step and open it. In the Main tab, under the Agent drop-down, ensure the correct company is selected. Then click OK to close. Next, open the Call Task step. In the Connection tab, ensure you select the connection we configured previously, and then click OK to close. You will need to repeat this for the subsequent Call Task steps. We can now save and close this task. And that's it for this video. If you require more details on this installation, please see the accompanying documentation or the tool white papers. If further assistance is required, please contact your account manager. Thanks for watching.